After you have installed AutoCount Accounting, there's a shortcut icon appear on your desktop. Let's double click on the icon. Choose your product edition. You may choose the product edition that you have purchased. For learning purpose, choose freely customized by modules because these will open all the modules. And then click on OK. Account book control file is a file that provides information about where do you keep your account books. If you are using the software in a standalone machine, choose Create Account Book Control File in the default folder in this machine. If you are in a networking and you are a client, you may open the account book control file that is shared out in your server. For our case, I'm going to create a account book control file in this machine. So I click on Next. Now for a first time login, there is no account book in this account book control file. So you have either to create a new account book or to attach an existing account book from other machine. Or you may restore an account book from your previously backup account book. Alternatively, you may install a sample account book. The sample account book is provided in the installer CD. For our case, let's create a new account book. Let's key in the company name. For example, my company name is AAA Sendirian Berhad. Notice that the database name is automatically detected. Begins with AED underscore followed by the first word of your company name. And the database folder by default is to be at C drive AutoCount data. For database server, you can choose the location of a database server. Either create a default account book in this PC or you can create a new account book in any PC. That means you want to create a new account book in another PC name or another server name. So I'm going to create a new account book in this PC. This is to determine the current fiscal year start date and actual data start date. Actual data start date could be later than the fiscal year start date. And you select your currency. If you are purchasing Malaysian version, just choose Ringgit Malaysia. And if you are using GST, you can activate Use Goods and Service Tax. Click on Next. This is to specify the package that you have purchased, either only accounting or accounting with stock control, or only invoicing package. By default, the account code format is AAA dash followed by another 4 digit. A stands for an alphanumeric character only in this position, which is A to Z 0 to 9. If you want to use a free format, you can just leave the account code format blank, or you can design your own code format according to characters listed here. Anyway, the account code format can be amended after you have created a account book later. Number 8 is to see if you need to create a sample chart of account. That will make your creating an account chart easier. If you do not want to create a sample chart of account, just uncheck the checkbox. Then click on Finish. The account book is created successfully. Click on OK. When you see this, that means you now can log into the account book that you have created. User ID by default is admin and the password is also admin. The system will ask you to run some fix on the installation. Just click on OK. The system will found that the option policy is not being configured. Just click on OK. Click on OK again. You are now on the main screen of the new account book.